So this is the assignment that you guys should be working on right now. Okay, this is the one you have in front of you. I'm going to do number 3 with you. That's the only one I'm going to do with you because it's got a little bit of everything on both sides. Okay. So the very first thing that we need to do is get all the x's on the same side. Okay, if you draw your x tiles, okay, goodness gracious, okay, you would have 7 on one side, right? Then you would have 7 little negative 1s on that same side. On the other side, you would have 4 x's. Let me make those more rectangle. Oh. Goodness gracious. You have 4 x's, and then how many little ones would I have? 17. And they're all positive. Okay. So all my x's are positive on both sides. I need to cancel out the small side with the smaller x's. How do I zero out the 4 positive x's on this other side over here?
You put the same amount but different sign.
Same amount but different sign. So I would need to do 4 negative x's, right? All right, so those are all negatives. Sorry, guys. Okay, so that's what I'm showing here. Minus 4x. And if I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other side, right? So that means that I've canceled out all of these x's on this side, and I've canceled out 4 of them on that side. So that's what I'm showing here. I've canceled all my x's out on this side. 7 minus 4 leaves me how many x's? 3 x's. So I have 3 positive x's. I still have my negative 7 ones. I haven't got rid of those. And I still have my positive 17 ones on the other side. Now that I have all my x's on one side, I need to cancel out all of these ones so that I can get rid of all the ones and only have x's left by themselves. How do I get rid of 7 negative ones? I need a positive 7, so I've got to do the opposite, right? And if I do positive 7 on one side, what do I have to do on the other side? Okay, so that's what I show here mathematically. Okay, I'm adding 7 ones to both sides. That cancels out all of them on this side. Okay, so that canceled all of them out on this side. Did it cancel any out on the other side? No, it made me have more, right?
Yeah, 24.
So now I've got 24 ones on that side, and I've got 3 x's on the other side. Okay, so if I make 3 x's here, and I split those 24 into 3 separate groups. Remember, if you don't know, right, I mean, you can put in the calculator 24 divided by 3, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones for each x. So 1x equals 8 ones. Okay. Mathematically, we show that by dividing by 3 on both sides. Okay. So that canceled. Okay. 24 divided by 3 leaves 8. So there are both ways to do it. Either drawing the tiles, which is not necessary. We're trying to get away from that, remember? Okay. So you can still draw the tiles if you need to. Okay. It is a tool that you've been taught how to use, so it's okay to use it. Or this way over here is the preferred way that we're trying to start getting you guys to recognize and use more. Okay? The tiles are just showing you what is physically happening in the problem over there. Okay? So that's how you would work those problems. So hopefully that helps refresh everybody how that works.